Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to plan out your week for maximum productivity. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have trouble planning out their weeks and want to be more organized and be more productive. Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, guys. But the way to actually do this is that I use this digital tool called Akiflow. And so if you want to check it out, you can use my link down below to sign up for a 7-day free trial. But this is what Akiflow looks like. And on the right-hand side, we have the calendar view. On the left-hand side, we have like our to-do list or checkbox list. Now, Akiflow syncs up with all your favorite project management tools like Slack, Notion, Trello. It also syncs up with all the different calendar apps out there like Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. Now with Akiflow, I have this calendar here created called my ideal calendar. So the first step with planning out your week is to make sure that you set up an ideal calendar. And what your ideal calendar is that it's you planning out what you think might look like the perfect work week. So I can toggle this on and off, and I created my ideal calendar on Google Calendar. And by creating this calendar, it really sets up a foundation of how I want my week to look like. Before I created my ideal calendar, I was kind of confused on how to actually set up my week-to-week basis. But if you actually set up your ideal calendar, like for example, this is what mine looks like, where I wake up at the same time every day, I walk the dogs at the same time every day, I walk 7,000 steps at the same time every day, I work out and exercise at the same time every day. It really helps solidify this foundation on how you want your week to look like. So set up your ideal calendar, and then aside from your ideal calendar, of course you're going to have like those one-time tasks or events. So for example, I had a birthday party here, I had a call here. Your ideal calendar should ideally be set aside for the times which you find important. So it'll be very rare for me to actually schedule out things in which they're during like my time blocking work hours, or I'll never usually schedule things during my workout hours, or I won't schedule things early in the morning. Your ideal calendar, try to solidify it as much as possible. Of course, there's going to be exceptions. You always have to be flexible and such, but by setting up your ideal calendar, you can work other one-time tasks around your perfect week. So for example, my ideal calendar, I have like a one-on-one call next Monday. I've put that time in a time in which it doesn't coincide with my time blocking schedules or my ideal calendar schedules. But time blocking is another thing that you want to do. So you may want to set up time dedicated to things that are important for you. So I have a time blocking set aside for filming. I have time set aside from admin work as well. Maybe you want to set a time blocking schedule dedicated to family time or your spousal time or dedicated time for your kids. With Akiflow, these time block schedules, you can drag and drop your tasks into there so that you know what time it needs to be done. So the cancel in video AI task that I just drag and drop there, it would need to be done between 12 to 2 p.m. But that is essentially how to plan out your week to maximize productivity. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.